Welcome to our easy English reading video. Today, let's read about animal habitats. We can read about where animals live.
A bird lives in nests.
A bee lives in hives.
A kangaroo lives in the Australian outback.
A camel lives in the desert.
A penguin lives on ice.
A bat lives in the cave.
A fish lives in water.
A monkey lives in the jungle.
A whale lives in the ocean.
A cat lives in the backyard.
A rabbit lives in burrows or gardens.
A bear lives in the forest.
A narwhal lives in the ocean.
A lion lives on grasslands.
A dog lives in the backyard.
A goat lives in the field.
A jellyfish lives in the ocean.
An alligator lives in the swamp.
An octopus lives in the ocean.
A turtle lives near water.
A deer lives in a meadow.
A seal lives on shores.
A giraffe lives on the savannah.
A whale lives in the ocean.
A fox lives in a den.
A butterfly lives in gardens.
A dolphin lives in the ocean.
A tiger lives in the jungle.
An elephant lives on the savannah.
A shark lives in the ocean.
A frog lives near ponds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to support us. See you again in the next video.